Hello everyone, today we're on Sketty Park Drive, a 4-bedroom semi-detached 1930s style property. But what we'll do, we'll have a little look around because the clients by here have done a fantastic job on renovating the whole house. So let's get inside and have a look around. Hello everyone, so now we're in Sketty Park Drive, so I'm going to give you a little layout of the land here. So we've got a 4-bedroom semi-detached house, but there's been a lot of renovation done to modernise it whilst saving some of the traditional features. So you've got an open plan kitchen dining space here, living room to the front, 4 bedrooms and a bathroom upstairs. So let's have a look at some of those shots, shall we? Then everyone, so we've seen the inside of the house and now we're outside. So what we've got is a lovely decked section, little play garden at the back, full lawn garden just by here, and what we do have actually is a little bonus space for you outside in the garage. So just behind me you've got a fully functioning little games room or man cave. Let's have a little look inside, shall we? There we go then everyone, my name's Reece Smith, this is my new listing on Sketty Park Drive. If any of this is ticking your boxes, give me a call on the number below. I'd love to show you around soon.